Sarthi pedagogy is helping all the stakeholders, be it parents, teachers, students, or school management, in improving the learning outcomes. The teacher's life is not easy. Every day they face the challenge of engaging students and keeping them interested in learning. They always think about how to prepare lesson plans, how to come up with new activities, what examples to give, etc. One of the biggest challenges of teaching is dealing with a diverse range of students, each with their unique learning style. A teacher always wonders how to make children understand concepts, how to make learning fun, and what homework to give them. Even at home, preparing lesson plans, checking papers and homework can take a toll on a teacher's time, energy, and mental health. Most of the teachers are mother-turned-teachers or homemaker-turned-teachers and have much to take care of at home. As a result of these factors, there is a lack of learning outcomes and rote learning is prevalent. But what if there was a solution that could help teachers manage their workload efficiently? Introducing Sarthi pedagogy, that is transforming the way teachers teach and students learn. With AI-backed learning management system of Sarthi pedagogy, teachers can simply click on the app to access day-wise lesson plans, concept animations, chapters, worksheets, and classwork. Moreover, it reveals students' unclear concepts from previous classes, which helps the teacher engage the class more effectively. Our NEP MEP textbooks integrated with STEM Kit is a great tool for fostering ingenuity and creativity. It helps teachers to give practical demonstrations of concepts and aids students to visualize them in classrooms. To enhance the learning experience, teachers can utilize concept animations, stimulation videos, explanatory videos, and ignite the curiosity in budding brains. Teachers can review homework and worksheets, produce report cards, and auto-generate assignments from well-researched question banks and share them with students with a single click. Sarthi has made teaching and being a homemaker at the same time so much easier. Thanks to Sarthi pedagogy, teachers can now focus on what they do best, teaching, while the app takes care of the rest. Thank you, Sarthi.